In this video, we are going to make a sentence with the verb vouloir. Vouloir. A verb to want. A verb to want. Number one example is je veux manger. Je veux manger. Je veux manger. I want to eat. I want to eat. Number two example is je veux dormir. Je veux dormir. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. Number three example is je veux une maison. Je veux une maison. I want a house. I want a house. Number four is je veux des enfants. Je veux des enfants. I want children. I want children. Number five is je veux te voir. Je veux te voir. I want to see you. I want to see you. Number six is je veux courir. Je veux courir. I want to run. I want to run. Number seven example is je veux l'acheter. Je veux l'acheter. Je veux l'acheter. I want to buy it. I want to buy it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting us. Please subscribe to this channel for more French lessons. Au revoir.